The approved indication now is for patients with CML that have in chronic phase who have received at least 2 prior tyrosine kinase inhibitors. This is a slight difference in the wording compared to the previous indication, where it said where no other TKIs were indicated. The change means that you don't have to leave it as the last option. Once a patient has received 2 prior TKIs, we know that for most patients, these may be the drug that gives the best opportunity for a good response. And this change then makes it on the label to use it in that context. So I think that that's very important to make that differentiation. That didn't change. That wording didn't change for the more advanced stages of the disease because the studies have been done more in the chronic phase mostly, but it is an important change in my opinion. Well, ponatinib is a very effective drug. It is very potent, and in this context where the new label indicates it, it provides by far the best response rate compared to, for example, going to another one of the second generation tyrosine kinase inhibitors. They've never been compared head to head, but if you just look at the response rates of the other inhibitors versus ponatinib in their corresponding studies, the response rates are way higher. For example, dasatinib and nilotinib, they've only been investigated after imatinib failure, and the rate of major cytogenetic response is about 40 to 50%. With ponatinib, on patients who have received 2 or 3 or more tyrosine kinase inhibitors so far have